In this video, I'm going to teach you how to find expired listings in PropStream. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to PropStream.com, and into this software and website, you should be able to find this. You can get a free trial or a free 7-day trial of PropStream by going to their site and clicking onto this try it free. This should be able to help you get access to their site and to their tools and services. Now into this part, just click onto this right here in order to sign up. However, if you already have an account, proceed to click on this login option that will appear right here. Now that we're done with that, you can proceed to access your PropStream and you should be able to find it right here. So to access expired listings, what you can do is I have in here this article that can help us. First, log into your PropStream and from your search market, just click onto the filter menu. Once you have clicked on that, select failed listing as a filter as your lead list choice. You can see there the number of properties available within the search. If you want to get a more refined list of leads, you can go to the MLS tab and enter 90 days minimum for the days on market as well as ownership information and occupancy tab. Enter 2 years minimum for the years of ownership. You can proceed to filter it according to your liking, but make sure right here that it's filtered as failed listings, and from in there you can find those expired listings from there. You can also consider exploring PropStream Intelligence filter by using overall property conditions to identify homes that may need home repairs or renovation, using propensity to foreclose to find homes that may be a risk of going into pre-foreclosure right there. So from in there you can also head over and then go and find expired listings through this way. And once you have accessed it, you can get direct contact from the owner and then get custody and then buy this particular property that you would want. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.